What's up, guys? We're back with another video. Today we're actually going to be installing some wheels. They literally just got delivered. Do an unboxing on that real quick, that way I can show you guys. I've been looking for some wheels for quite some time already. Wasn't really 100% sure if I wanted to go 19s, 20s, or maybe some welds. I was uncertain. Finally made that decision. The wheels just came in, like I said. Get a little close up, a little closer. See how these bitches look. Damn! Holy shit, these look good. All right, so these are 20-inch wheels. They're VP5s, VP5 wheel. It's a brand. See that I'm missing this. It is in color gloss black. 20-inch wheels. Honestly, these should look really good. I am noticing though, I'm missing the lugs. That probably came in another box. We'll see. If they're not here, I'll have to contact them. But I got the black lugs as well to match the wheels. This P51, we're gonna get rid of that shit. I'm gonna be adding the Ford Mustang ones that already come in the car. So right now my car does have 19-inch wheels. I believe it's 275s in the rear and 255s in the front. So with those wheels, the 20-inch is going to be 315s in the back, and then for the front it is going to be 305. It's going to make the fitment stand out a lot more. Should be at the fender. So from what I know, the handling package has 19 wheels on the front and the back. Mustang logo, I'm going to remove that since it is black and add it onto the other wheels that I just purchased. And yeah, I am going to be selling these. So also it has the chrome lug nuts. I don't like that. I want the black lug nuts, so I'm gonna go check right now, see what's up. The kicks for the day, we got Adidas Buzenits, some light, nothing crazy. I used to have these back in high school. All right, we opened all of them already. So the hardware is right here. Oh shit. I'm gonna open it just to make sure that everything's straight. Dude, this is a freaking shower cap, bro. These are the pieces. Instead of chrome, we're going for all black. There should be about 20. What's up, guys? It's the next day. So I'm actually on my way to Discount Tire already. Got one wheel here, one wheel in the back. First, I'm gonna see if they have it in stock, because last time I bought some I think 305s for my Cadillac Blackwing. They didn't have it in stock. We had to order it and it came a few days later. So I'm gonna take it, that way they could see if it actually fits and if they have the tire in stock. If they do, then we can get them installed. If they don't, then I'm gonna have to wait a little bit. But right now, outside, it's currently 47 degrees outside from what my car is reading. It's cold as shit. Have the temperature at the 70s. Cold is cool, but since it's not really cold in Texas, man, it gets really cold. Well, it feels really cold. We're not used to it, or I'm not used to it at least. Some people I know, they do like the cold, but if you didn't watch my previous video, this is how the car sounds with the H-pipe on. A lot louder. I don't know if you can tell, but did get that done. Yeah, we're basically almost here. Should be right there, the corner. All right, I'm gonna get off and I'm gonna see what they say, and then I'll let y'all know what's up. Hopefully, again, they have the wheels. I only brought two. Hopefully they have the tires. I only brought two wheels. All right, finished up with the Discount Tire. They had the front in stock, but they didn't have the rears, so I ordered the rears. They said they're going to be coming in a few days. I think it's been like 4 since I last recorded, so I finally got the call that the tires did arrive to the Discount Tire. Again, initially they did have the fronts, the 305s, but we had to order the 315s, so they did come in. I'm actually on my way. Just got out of work. I'm gonna be going to pick up the wheels, try to make them all fit in the car one way or another, and then I'm gonna head out there on my way to Discount Tire. That way they can install them already, because I've honestly been waiting for a while, and I think the wheels look fucking sick. Show you guys the results, see how they look. I want y'all to let me know what y'all think in the comments below. And not only that, if you don't follow me on Instagram, you could definitely shoot me a follow at Mark1 like my Mach 1, but just Mark. So made it to Discount Tire. I did set an appointment, and I do see there's not a lot of cars either, so hopefully this doesn't take too long. Did pull up. It's fucking cold, like 40 degrees. It's never really cold out here. We got the Jordans on the feet. So yeah, cars over there. Said it shouldn't take too long, so I'm gonna see what's up. They're also gonna be changing the TPMS sensors to this car. Makes that process easier for me. And then I am gonna be selling these wheels on Marketplace. That way I can get some extra money. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the results. We ended up finishing the installation already. Going back home, I need to drop off this one. I'm gonna have another one in the back. So I do need to come back to pick it up. But I have to drive super slow. But overall, man, I think this thing came out super clean. Show you guys in a bit. It is getting dark, so if I don't have time, I am just gonna show you guys tomorrow. So we're actually back. It's been a few days later since I installed the wheels. Reason why we got the cold front, it's been super cold outside. I did end up getting sick, so I do want to show you guys the results before we end the video. Currently still have cough right now, but I pulled up for the reveal. Are you guys ready? Show it off in 3. Actually, before we show it off, we have the freaking cop tower right there, but whatever. So this is gonna be the reveal of the new 20-inch wheels on the Mustang, and this is how it looks. So yeah, again, we got the 315s in the back, 305s in the front, both 20 inches. Ties in the look even more better. Got the black and red everywhere. This is with the H-pipe as well. Shit sounds crispy. But yeah, man, this is basically the look of the car. The other wheels were like a light gray, right? I think they were, I don't know, some type of gray. They didn't really fit the car. They did, but they didn't, and they were also really small, I felt. So I think this is a lot better. You have the black on black matching with the red, as you can see as well. I know I've shown this before, but we do also have the red seats. So I mean, overall, I think this matches the car really well. I still need to fix my wrap, I'm not gonna lie. It's been super cold, so I haven't had no time. But since I did it myself, I did fuck it up right here. I also have not done the tail in the back. So, I mean, I am wrapping it myself at the end of the day. I don't know how to wrap. It's whatever. First time job came out clean. But yeah, man, this is basically the wheels. They are some P51s. If you are interested in getting some 20 inches on your Mustang, one thing I do recommend for the fronts, I know the handling package has 19 305s. One thing I do recommend is you are gonna rub a little bit, so I can show you right here. I have people looking at me and shit, but yeah, so if we do this, it is gonna rub right here. It's gonna be hitting that plastic. So yeah, man, that's the only thing that I do recommend on the 20 inches. I mean, it doesn't bother me. It's only if you turn the wheel all the way, but overall, that should be good, man. But yeah, that's basically it for the video, guys. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about the wheels. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one.